one-piece petal. Round 1, chain 53. We're starting big here, folks. Round 2, work 52 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. Round 3, chain 5. Turn your work. Double crochet. Skip 2. Then repeat, double crochet. Chain 2. Double crochet. All the way to the end. Round 4, chain 3. Turn again. Then in each chain, 2 space work, double crochet. Chain 2. 2 double crochets. In the next chain, 2 space, work, 2 double crochets. Chain 2. 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern to the end. Round 5, chain 1. One more turn. Then in each chain, 2 space work, 4 double crochets. Picot. Four double crochets. Slip stitch and repeat. Finally, slip stitch. Chain 1. Work 8 double crochets. Repeat 4 times. Slip stitch to join. Start with a magic ring. Chain 2. Then work 20 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Now, we'll repeat this sequence 5 times, chain 8. Work 2 single crochets in the second chain from hook. 2 half double crochets. 2 double crochets. 1 treble crochet. Skip 3 stitches on the base and slip stitch. Round 1. Chain 12. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Add wire along the chain. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Work 7 double crochets. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Here comes the leaf tip, 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Now we're mirroring down the other side, half double crochet. 7 double crochets again. Half double crochet. Then finish with a single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 2, repeat, single crochet. Chain 2, all along one side. When you reach the tip work, single crochet. Chain 2. Picot. Single crochet. Coming down the other side, repeat, chain 2. Single crochet, all the way to the end. Slip stitch to join. Thread the floral wire through the left side of your flower center. Bend it with pliers to secure, then add a dab of glue. Glue the first row of petals around the center. Press them gently into place. Push the wire through the flower base. Secure with glue at the bottom. Start wrapping the stem from the base. When you reach the right spot, attach your leaves. Keep wrapping to the end, then glue to finish.